Morning guys, June 5th, 2026. This one I gotta go check out an AC. This guy rents this house to this lady, and he wants me to go by there and check the AC, make sure everything's working okay. No complaints, just wants me to check it. So I'll have to go up there and check the filter. I'll have to see what's going on. A lot of times, you know, when I go to these jobs, I like to get like four filters or so and leave them up by the units. So, you know, if you're gonna change the filters, you got the filters there. I don't know if there's any filters. I don't think I've ever been to this job before. I'll have to check the outside unit, make sure it's not dirty. We'll run it and check the charge. A lot of times I could run a system and I could tell just by, you know, feeling things, how it's running. And if you do it for long enough, you can tell just by how it's running after you run it for a little while, and how the suction line's cooling, and, you know, the liquid line, the temperature of the liquid line, what's coming out of the top of the condenser. You could tell if it's close. I'll try to get you some shots over there if I can. The filter, it looks fine, it looks clean, so I'll have to get some more. That's a weird size. It's a weird size. Fan looks okay, don't look full of water. This is a Goodman, probably an R22 unit. I think there's maintenance guys that come around here in this complex and change these filters. Not easy to get to this sucker. A little 2.5 tonner. Yeah, R22. Here, select refrigerant, R22. Hot day like this, 25 on the soup heat's fine. 10 on the subcooling. Charge is fine. Blows clean. Hot day like this, you're gonna have a high superheat. That's perfect right there. Stop a Goodman. Put some nice JB caps on there. sometimes you open up those serrators and then they start leaking. It's always good to put some good caps on there. Go hurt.